Top 3 Best Options Trading Platform in Australia. Options trading in Australia is not one single category. Some platforms are better for ASX exchange traded options, while others are stronger for United States options, global markets, and advanced order control. That difference matters. A platform can look cheap, but still feel wrong if it does not match the market you actually want to trade. And the strongest choice here is not the simplest one. What makes a platform worth using? For options, the real test is not just the headline fee. You need clear order tickets, reliable execution, risk controls, market access, and costs that do not quietly punish frequent trading. Australian traders also need to check whether they want local ASX options, international listed options, or both. Options involve risk and are not suitable for everyone. This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
Third option, CMC Invest for local ASX access.
CMC Invest is a practical choice for Australians who mainly want a familiar share trading environment with access to ASX shares, ETFs, international markets, and options. Its appeal is that it does not feel like a pure professional trading terminal from day one. It is more approachable for investors who want options as part of a broader portfolio. The honest limitation is that active options traders may want more depth, more advanced workflows, or stronger global derivatives access. So CMC Invest makes most sense if you want local market access without jumping straight into a complex platform. Second option, Totality, formerly Saxo for global listed options. Totality Australia, formerly Saxo, is stronger for traders who want access beyond basic local markets. It highlights listed options across many global exchanges, with commissions advertised from low per contract levels depending on currency and account tier. This is where the ranking starts to get more serious. Totality can suit traders who want a more polished multi-asset platform, international reach, and a wider toolkit than a simple brokerage app. The trade-off is that pricing can vary by market and account level, so the platform is best for people who are willing to check the full fee schedule before they trade. First option, Interactive Brokers Australia for serious options traders. Interactive Brokers Australia takes the first spot because it is built around market access, advanced tools, and cost control for active trade. It offers options commission schedules across international markets, including United States options and Asia Pacific products, with detailed exchange and regulatory fees shown separate. This resolves the opening loop. The best platform is not always the easiest one on day one. For options, the stronger long-term platform is often the one that gives you more control, clearer pricing detail, and more room to grow. The downside is obvious. Interactive brokers can feel intimidating at first. If you only want a very simple app, it may be more platform than you need. The choice that actually makes sense. If your focus is mostly Australian investing with some options access, CMC Invest is the easiest starting point. If you want a more global, polished, multi-asset setup, Totality deserves it. But if options are a serious part of your trading plan, Interactive Brokers Australia stands out most. Not because it is the most beginner-friendly, but because it gives experienced traders the most room to operate. The best platform is the one that matches your market, your strategy, and your risk discipline. Choose that first, and the fee comparison becomes much easier. If you enjoy the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.